What are altcoins? Beginner's guide. In today's video, we're going to look at a big part of crypto, and that is altcoins. This beginner's guide to altcoins will reveal some of their secrets, discover their unique features, and reveal the opportunities that they bring to the table. As Ethereum is number 2 behind Bitcoin in terms of market cap at the time of this video, the main focus will be on ETH. I'm going to kick things off with my experience of altcoins so far. We'll have a good look at Ethereum to improve your understanding of altcoins, and then we'll finish off with 10 altcoins to consider. If you're looking to invest into crypto, altcoins basically means a crypto alternative to Bitcoin. Now, going back to 2017 is when I first started investing in crypto with altcoins. To be honest, I wasn't investing in crypto at the time. I was gambling in crypto as I was clueless and just about to start making mistake after mistake in the crypto space. Crypto can be brutal if you don't educate yourself. I didn't have any crypto knowledge at the time and it didn't go well in 2017 and 2018, but you're different. By watching this video, you are educating yourself and are going to avoid some of the mistakes I made when I first started investing in altcoins. Altcoins came into existence as a response to Bitcoin's success. Altcoins' aim is to offer different features, functionalities, or improvements compared to Bitcoin. Some altcoins have specific purposes, like privacy-focused transactions or smart contract capabilities. Others may focus on scalability or faster transaction speeds. The altcoin market is diverse and constantly evolving. There are thousands of altcoins at the time of this video, but I want to focus on Ethereum. Ethereum is an open source blockchain-based platform that was launched in 2015. It has revolutionized the way we think about blockchain technology by introducing smart contracts. These contracts have the ability to automate transactions, reducing the need for intermediaries. Think banks or even solicitors. Imagine buying a house in the future, and this could well be done on the Ethereum blockchain. This will be done without solicitors, as the smart contract, will be done on the blockchain. Even if you don't understand smart contracts at the minute and blockchain at the minute, stick with it because this is what's coming in the future, in my humble opinion. And the future is coming fast. Ethereum has multiple use cases, and this is what first got me interested in early 2021. I am bullish on Ethereum, short term and long term. I feel like the price of 1 ETH will increase significantly over the next few years as adoption continues to increase over the next few years. The price will continue to rise, but this video isn't about speculating on the price of cryptos. It's about improving your understanding of altcoins. And with improved understanding, you can then invest with confidence. Anyway, let's get into some of the basics worth knowing. The white paper was released by its co-founder, Vitalik Buterin, in 2013. With any crypto, it's important to read the white paper so you can learn about the technology, learn all about the management team, the software developers, the community, etc., etc. Ethereum has multiple use cases, and as I've said, this is what first got me interested back in early 2021. This was the point in my crypto journey when I started to understand it, and this led to some big wins during 2021. Ethereum's use cases. To start, we'll look at smart contracts. Ethereum is best known for its ability to execute smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into the code. Smart contracts enable trustless and automated execution of agreements, eliminating the need for intermediaries. DeFi, decentralized finance, is another use case and is a term used to describe financial institutions and applications that are built on the blockchain. These institutions operate using smart contracts that automate the process of lending, borrowing, and trading. Pretty much everything what a traditional bank does, but on a blockchain. Gaming is another sector where Ethereum is gaining popularity. I love Ethereum and I'm very bullish on Ethereum, but I do believe in balance. I feel it's important to know the good and the bad before parting with your hard-earned money. in the crypto market. Ethereum has faced challenges with scalability, especially during periods of high network congestion. This has led to slow transaction processing times and increased fees. There are some other issues, but the main issues for me are speed and cost. The Ethereum community has been actively working on solutions like Ethereum 2.0 to address these scalability issues. There are also layer 2s like Polygon that are built on top of the Ethereum network that aim to resolve some of the scalability issues. So hopefully, now after getting into Ethereum, you're starting to get a feel for altcoins. Here are 10 altcoins to consider as you start to fully understand altcoins. 1. Tether USDT is a type of cryptocurrency known as a stablecoin, and it's designed to maintain a stable value by pegging it to a fiat currency, in this case the US dollar. 2. Binance Coin BNB. Originally launched as a native cryptocurrency for the Binance exchange, BNB has expanded its use cases and is now utilized for various purposes within the Binance ecosystem. 3. Solana. Known for its high throughput and low transaction costs, Solana aims to provide a scalable and secure platform for decentralized applications and crypto projects. 4. Ripple XRP. Designed for fast and cost-efficient border payments, Ripple aims to facilitate transactions between financial institutions. 5. Cardano ADA. Known for its focus on sustainability, scalability, and interoperability, Cardano aims to provide a more secure and sustainable blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem. 6. Dogecoin Doge. Initially created as a meme, Dogecoin has gained popularity and is often used for tipping and charitable donations. 7. Polkadot. Developed to enable different blockchains to transfer messages and value in a trust-free fashion, Polkadot aims to bring multiple blockchains together. 8 is Chainlink, focused on solving the problem of smart contracts. Interacting with real-world data, Chainlink acts as a decentralized Oracle network. 9. Litecoin. Created as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that aims to provide faster transaction confirmation on times. 10. Stellar. Similar to Ripple, Stellar focuses on facilitating fast and low-cost cross-border transactions, with a particular emphasis on serving the unbanked population. Most of these altcoins are in and around the top 20 in terms of market cap. That just about wraps up today's video, a beginner's guide to altcoins. We've covered what altcoins are, we've went into Ethereum in detail, and we've looked at 10 altcoins worth looking into. Try and remember that the world of crypto is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed and do your own research. So these are some altcoins to consider. As you start learning about crypto, you're going to find out what altcoins are suited to you based on your risk tolerance and goals. All I would say is maybe start with Bitcoin and Ethereum, then as you get more confident, your confidence builds, then you can look at other altcoins with higher risk. Anyway, that'll do for now. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.